Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 7 best Scotch Thermal Laminating Pouches. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Scotch Thermal Laminating Pouches 200 count. Clear, 3mm, ideal office or school supplies, fits letter-sized paper, 8.9 inches x 11.4 inches. Thermal Laminating Pouches, 1 200-count package of Scotch Thermal Laminating Pouches, ultra-clear pouches that protect and add professionalism to documents you use frequently. Finish, these laminate pouches achieve a clear, photo-safe finish. Ideal for great school and office supplies, these laminator pouches are ideal for creating marker-proof, tear-proof and spill-proof paper items. Number 2. Thermal Laminating Pouches 9-inch by 11.5 inches. 3mm 200 pack, laminated paper, clear, letter size, office and school supplies. Brand Optizer. Color clear. Product dimensions 11.5 inch LX9 WX 11.5H. Sheet size 8.5 x 11 inch. Item weight 5.08 pounds. Heavy checkmark standard US letter size 9 by 11.5 inch, 8.5 by 11, paper, 3mm pack of 200. Heavy checkmark safe to use, rounded corners and sealed on one side. Heavy checkmark protect and preserve, an all-round protective surface that is both flexible, sturdy and water resistant. Heavy checkmark professional finish, premium quality gloss finish, compatible with all thermal laminator machine brands. Heavy checkmark includes free cleaning sheet for better user experience and extend laminator lifespan. Number 3. Laminating Sheets. Pandry 300 pack thermal laminator pouches holds 8.5 by 11 inch, 5mm clear laminator paper 9 by 11.5 inch, letter size. 5mm laminator pouches, 300 pack 5mm thickness, 9 by 11.5 laminating pouches, suitable for letter size files up to 8.5 by 11 inches. Waterproof and stain-proof, the surface is made of special PET material. Practical and tear resistant, which is highly waterproof and stain-proof. Extreme protection for your file photos. Clarity and smooth surface, high definition gives you an easy-to-read experience, important information at a glance and presents your photos beautifully. Crease-proof and no peeling, no bubbles, no peeling, no shrinkage, good plastic sealing performance, and you can cut it to the size you want. Save your precious memories. Good choice, widely used, suitable for the protection of important documents, painting works preservation, the sealing of photos. Number 4. Scotch Thermal Laminating Pouches 100 count. For use with thermal laminators. 8.9 by 11.4 inches, letter size sheets. Safe for use with most household cleaners. Thermal pouches up to 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Ideal for protecting items from damage, delivers a clear, professional and photo-safe finish. 100 per package. Great for children's artwork, signs, flyers, schedules, certificates, and other frequently used documents in the home, office or classroom. Protects and adds professionalism to business documents. Ultra clear finish to let important information show through. Number 5. 5mm Thermal Laminating Pouches, 150 count. Letter, photo, card, note card, ID badge and business card sizes, dry erase friendly sheets, compatible with laminators, crystal clear laminated finish. 150 laminating pouches at 5mm thickness. We want you to be able to laminate your most important documents and images without having to worry about the lamination ripping, tearing, etc. That's why we've made our lamination at 5mm thickness, thicker than the closest competitors, so you never have to worry. Enjoy 150 lamination pouches so you can laminate over and over again. Multi-sized lamination pouches for card, badges, letters. We know that you're going to be laminating different sized documents, which is why our Laminating Pouch Kit comes with 25 business card sizes at 2.3 by 3.7, 25 ID badge sizes at 2.5 by 4.2, 25 card sizes at 4.3 by 6.3, 25 note card sizes at 3.7 by 5.3, 25 letter sizes at 9 by 11.5 and 25 photo sizes at 5.3 by 7.2. All measurements are measured in inches. Number 6. 3M Laminating Pouch Kit with all varieties of laminating pouch. 1. Brand 3M. Color clear. Sheet size letter. Item weight 1.55 pounds. Manufacturer 3M. All varieties of laminating pouches. For use with Scotch Thermal Laminator or any standard thermal pouch laminator. Provides instant two-sided protection. Number 7. Laminating Sheets. Pandry 100-pack thermal laminating pouches holds 11 by 17 inch, 5mm plastic laminator paper 11.5 by 17.5 inch, clear round corner. 5mm laminator pouches, 100-pack 5mm thickness, 11.5 by 17.5 size, suitable for document up to 11 by 17 size, you can cut it to any size you want. Waterproof, the surface is PET and the inner layer is EVA, which is highly waterproof. Extreme protection for your file photos. Clarity and smooth surface, high definition and smooth surface. High definition gives you an easy-to-read experience and presents your photos beautifully. Crease-proof, no bubbles, no shrinkage. The double layer does not come off easily, good plastic sealing performance, suitable for painting, photo, menu preservation. Good choice, widely used, suitable for the protection of important documents, painting works preservation, the sealing of photos, etc. And suitable for many types of laminating sheet machines. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.